Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Crazy Novstor, the rechargeable tooth polisher with 5 included brush heads, has 4-speed operation modes, has an LED light on it in the front, 3 polish pastes are included. You can also use your toothpaste. It's IP6 waterproof, and this product gets excellent 5-star customer ratings. I've never seen that before. Everybody loves this product, and it includes a 1-year warranty. You can see it's got this cute little tiny wrench right here. We're going to show you how to use that. This is the unit itself. It has a charging cable, USB A to C, and a little instruction booklet. Any USB-C cable will charge this. So on the bottom of the unit there is a little silicone cover. You want to make sure you keep that covered. And I'm going to charge this right here with the USB-C cable. And it'll initially show red, you can see right there. And then that's going to turn to green. And I already charged that and tested this out. It'll go to green because I already had it go to green. Once you're done charging, make sure you close this up so that it has a nice seal in the back to keep any kind of moisture out of there. And it does seal up quite nicely. So right now it came with this little cup unit that holds the polisher on there, very similar to what the dentist uses. They have a very similar interface. Very simple to use. You have the power switch right there. Just hit that. You can see it's going counterclockwise. And it's got a nice little bright LED on there, which is nice. Then you have speed right here. And there's a little indicator telling you the different speeds. So your normal, middle, and then strong. So you have a choice of those different speeds on there. Then he hits again, and then the power goes off. Now I'm going to show you the little heads that it comes with. There's the different options, and some of them are for getting in between the gums more and getting little parts of your teeth a little harder to reach. You have a choice, gives you a lot of flexibility. So if we were going to change one of these, you take this little wrench, which is included, and on the unit itself there is a metal drive rod, as you can see, and you hold this down and you turn this counterclockwise, and you could then remove the head that's on there, and you just put the other head on there by going clockwise. It's just that simple. So to make sure you keep this wrench inside here so that you don't lose it. Now let's take a look. There's the different little polishing, and they're all medium, and they're just different flavors. There's a close-up of what it looks like. You can see it's really thick. So what's inside here is slightly abrasive little materials, which is similar to what's in toothpaste, but this is definitely thicker than what you get in toothpaste. And what you're going to do is you use this, put this like that every couple of minutes of operation. I would say every 30 seconds actually. So you turn the unit on and you go against your teeth and gums, and that light is really great. So I'm going to try and demo this. So here I'm going to just give it a try and turning it on. Look how bright the light is on there. So I'm going to stop the unit. I'm going to add a little more of the included paste. Paste has a neutral taste, doesn't taste sweet. It has the mouthfeel, smooth. It has the mouthfeel of when you go to the dentist, when they do that final polishing. So it's very similar to that feeling. This feels almost identical to it actually, and that's a good thing. So this is a great product, very simple to use. I can see why it gets good ratings. Feels like you're at the dentist, and how could you go wrong? You'll be able to charge this over and over again. You got the included brush heads, the paste, and you use very little of this paste. That's going to last a long time, and the different brush heads and the tool to remove them. So I'm impressed with the quality of this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.